Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video I am going to guide you on how to post picture in TikTok comments. Also, if you are new to channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified each time we upload the video. TikTok currently doesn't support posting images in comment. So to upload picture on comment, open the TikTok app and find the video you want to comment on. Tap the comment button at right side, then you need to select a specific comment you want to reply on with picture. Look for video icon on left side of the comment text box and tap on it. Now you are taken in video making part. Tap on upload at lower right section, then choose photo by tapping on the picture you want to upload. Then choose who can view the post. Then tap next in the lower section. If you want to add personal touch, you can edit the picture or put text or emoji. Then tap on next button and then tap on post at lower right side. Now you are finally able to upload the picture in comment section. You can check the comment you left by tapping on the comment in your video. This is it for the tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.